Are you tired of trying to keep record of each and every detail of your business to run it smoothly and without investing so much time and effort on it? Let's maximize your business performance and efficiency within minimum time and affordable investment. We present to you Shop POS, which is a retail point-of-sale system that has a variety of features that can help you manage your day-to-day business functions effectively and hassle-free. Shop POS provide you stock management, profit and loss report, user-friendly operation, advanced custom reporting, customer and supplier management, online or offline software availability, email invoices and SMS marketing, employees management, and lots more. Point-of-sale system is becoming a need everywhere. It can be in restaurants, shops, gyms, pharmacies. It's getting impossible to keep track of every little detail of your retail business. Let's make the impossible possible with Shop POS.